TV ads still work, yes, even in 2025. In fact, when done right, TV advertising continues to deliver some of the highest brand recall rates of any medium. According to Nielsen, television remains the most trusted form of advertising globally, with over 60% of consumers saying they are more likely to trust a brand they see on TV. At Blastily, we help small businesses, authors, and executives get featured on television, whether it's interviews, book promotions, or brand campaigns. And today, we'll walk you through how to create a TV ad that actually converts. Section 1: Why TV ads still matter. Let's start with why TV ads are still powerful. First, reach. In Nigeria alone, millions of people still tune into local and national TV stations every evening. According to Statista, TV penetration in Nigeria stands at over 95% of households, which means your ad can potentially reach more people than digital campaigns in certain demographics. Second, trust. A 2024 Deloitte report shows that consumers rank TV ads as more credible than most online ads. And for small businesses looking to build authority, this credibility matters. Section 2: Crafting a message that converts. Now, what makes a TV ad convert? It's not just about being on screen. It's about the message. 1. Keep it simple. Research from the Journal of Advertising Research shows that ads with a single, clear message are remembered 22% more than ads with multiple storylines. 2. Tell a story. Humans connect with emotions, not features. Instead of saying, "Our product is affordable," show how it solves a real problem. 3. Add a strong call to action. Nielsen reports that ads with direct CTAs, like "Call today" or "Visit our website now," increase response rates by up to 45%. Section 3: Timing and placement. Next is timing and placement. In Nigeria, primetime slots, usually between 7 p.m. and 10 p.m., get the highest viewership. But that doesn't mean they are always the best choice for small businesses. Sometimes, off-peak slots, like morning or early afternoon, can give you better cost efficiency while still reaching your target audience. This is where strategy comes in. At Blastily, we help clients pick the right programs, right stations, and right time slots so they don't waste their budget. Section 4: Proof from real campaigns. Here's the exciting part: proof. According to a recent report by ThinkBox, every £1 spent on TV advertising in the UK delivers an average profit return of £4.20. That's huge. And right here in Nigeria, we've seen authors promote their books on TV and experience massive jumps in credibility and sales within weeks. The visibility TV provides often opens doors, whether it's speaking engagements, media features, or new clients. So here's the takeaway: if you want a TV ad that converts, focus on clarity, storytelling, timing, and credibility. At Blastily, we don't just talk about it, we make it happen. From getting small businesses featured in interviews to helping executives showcase their expertise, we know how to position you on the right platforms. If you'd like to learn more, check out our website and let's get your brand the visibility it deserves. Because the truth is, TV ads still work. And with the right strategy, they can work for you. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to our channel for more practical insights and resources on ads, PR, and brand growth.